Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? Joe here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys something. So, as you can see here, I have this internet connected. So, but I wanted to actually connect my hotspot, my iPhone hotspot here, but for some reasons it's not working. So let me disconnect from this. I mean, yeah, it does work, right? So it does work, but then again, it actually disconnects, right? So here is the phone itself. Okay, so what I want to show you is I'm going to be showing you how to reset your iPhone network. Okay, so that it stops misbehaving. Okay, so here, let me turn on my hotspot. Click here and click there. So it's going to turn up now. Yeah, so you can see it's switching. It connects, and then at a certain point it disconnects. Why the hotspot itself is still on, right? So as you can see, it refused to connect right there. So let me try to force it. So you can see that it says can't connect to this network. So what I'm going to do is show you how to reset this. And to do this, we are going to go into our settings, and in there we are going to I don't want to bore you, so I'm just going to what I recommend you do is type reset, right? So you type reset, and then you see a bunch of resets here. So but what I want you to do right now is to click on reset network settings. So once you click on that, you can see prepare for new iPhone. Prepare for new iPhone. No, that is not what we're doing. So you can see down here, it says reset, and then that you see here it says reset, and then here it says erase all content and settings. What you want to do is click on set reset there, and then of course we're resetting our network. So you go ahead and reset your network, which is second on the list. Click that, and then you enter your password. So it now is asking you to confirm and reset your password. It said this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. Yeah, that's what we want to do. Reset. Mind you, it's going to reboot. It's going to boot. Is it reboot, or is it yeah, whatever it is. It's going to reboot. Come on, man. So it's going to reboot the iPhone. So I'm going to just fast forward the connection so that I don't waste your time. That is not what we're here to do. Okay. Oh, so it has reconnected. And let's go ahead and turn back our hotspot back on. You can see our hotspot right here. Click on that and say turn on, allow, and let's see if it's going to connect. So as you can see, it has actually worked. It has connected. You can see the iPhone is connected, and the hotspot is on. The phone is on right here. So I'm going to go back. To confirm that it's working, I'm going to I mean, let me bring down this window here and search for, let me see, GoDaddy. As you can see, it's working. Okay. Yeah. So to show you that it's the phone that is still connected, you can see it right there. So that is how you actually fix your iPhone network. I mean hotspot when it's not connecting. Okay. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel, and see you next time in another video. Bye.